Special court is expected to deliver its verdict today in Naroda Patiya case. Almost a decade after 97 people were killed in one of the worst 2002 Gujarat riots cases. A special court will be delivering its verdict against 61 accused, including former minister in Modi government, Mayaben Kodnani. My colleague Abhishek joins us live from Ahmedabad right now, who's been tracking this case. Abhishek, it is going to be a crucial day for former minister in the Modi government. And of course, all eyes are on the verdict, especially with Mayaben Kodnani being involved in it, Modi's minister.
Well, absolutely. But before I come to that, some basic facts. This gruesome massacre happened on February 28, 2002, a day after the Godhra train carnage. And in that, 62 people have faced trial in this case. Trial ended in May 2012. And today a verdict is to come. There are 391 witness testimonies based on which the fate of these accused would be decided. Of course, Mayaben Kodnani, a former Modi minister who continues to be an MLA now, would face verdict today. Of others are there, including some BJP, local BJP and VHP leaders. They would also face verdict. One of the famous names, or infamous names rather, Babu Bajrangi, who is going to face verdict. Now, apart from the fact that the survivors and the victims are expecting justice after 10 long years, this judgment is going to have political repercussions as well. We have to remember this is Gujarat facing elections just in some months from now. Mayaben Kodnani is a former Modi minister. She is a sitting BJP MLA, and the fact that there have been a string of verdicts earlier in riots cases. This is also one of the 9 cases investigated by the Supreme Court appointed SIT, which had in fact gone on to arrest Mayaben Kodnani based on her phone call records, after which it was established that she was actually present at the scene of crime, instigating the mob. That is the allegation against her, which we'll see whether it is proved or not in the court in a while from now. The court meets at 11 a.m. and the verdict is likely by around 1.
Right, Abhishek, you pointed out political repercussions. Let's not forget, as you rightly mentioned, that there are other local VHP leaders involved in this. There are BJP leaders also involved in this. What could be the repercussion, if you could take us through it? Because you mentioned that the Gujarat elections are right around the corner. How would the opposition parties benefit, and what are the cues that they are taking from it?
Well, Godhra riots have been the most polarizing influence on Gujarat polity in the last decade. In fact, 2002 elections happened in the immediate shadow of Godhra riots, and BJP, Narendra Modi, won with a thumping majority. There was a looming shadow on 2007 elections also from the Godhra riots, and Modi managed to win that election also. Now, these verdicts coming in the immediate backdrop of the elections would obviously have polarizing influence. Whether it goes against the BJP or pro-BJP depends on who gets convicted. For example, in the last 4 verdicts in the Godhra riot, post-Godhra riot cases across the state, Patel community members have been convicted. So there might be an element of anger and frustration in that community against the Modi government because a certain set of community is getting convicted in these cases. But Naroda Patiya case, for example, the most gruesome case, 98 people had been killed very brutally, and BJP leaders involved, VHP leaders involved. So polarization is to happen with this verdict on both the sides. Congress using it to its advantage with the Muslim community, BJP trying to show that they have, BJP trying to polarize it in its own favor. So essentially, these verdicts would lead to a certain element of polarization along communal lines, and that would be the political repercussion of this verdict as well.